నిశాంత్
రాస్తాను కాబట్టి నువ్వు చెప్పింది ఎండవే.
మ్యూట్ లో ఉంది.
Good evening, everyone. So we'll start our class. In previous class, we have learned about what is a sentence, kinds of sentences, and how many parts are there in a sentence. So what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which are meaningfully arranged to make a complete sense. How many kinds are there in a sentence? There are 4 kinds in a sentence. How many kinds are there? There are 4 kinds in a sentence. First one, assertive or declarative. Second one, imperative. Third one, interrogative. Fourth one, exclamatory. There are 4 kinds in sentence. First one, assertive, imperative, interrogative, exclamatory. So, in assertive sentence, it states or says certain facts. It starts with a capital letter and ends with full stop. Coming to the imperative sentence expresses a command, request, suggestion, advice, or desire. For example, so I'm giving an order to close the door. So it's an order. Not please give me a pen. I'm asking in a requesting manner using a pleasing word. So this one also starts with a capital letter and ends with full stop. Coming to the third one, interrogative sentence. Interrogative means asking question. Interrogation means what? Asking question. It starts with a capital letter and ends with question mark. And ends with question mark this one. An exclamatory sentence. It gives a sudden feeling of joy, surprise, sadness. So here it starts with capital letter and ends with exclamatory mark. Like wow, ho, alas. All these are expressions. So how many kinds of sentences are there? There are 4 kinds of sentences. First one, assertive, imperative, interrogative, exclamatory. These are the 4 kinds of sentences. So next one. Again in the sentence, how many parts are there in a sentence? There are 2 parts in a sentence. Two parts in a sentence. First one, subject, and second part is predicate. Subject and predicate. Tanmay. Tanmay, what's your doubt, Amma? Tanmay. No doubt, Tanmay. Okay, there are 2 parts in a sentence. First one is subject and predicate. Tanmay?
Nothing, ma'am.
Nothing. Okay.
Yes.
Explain clean మళ్ళీ క్లీన్ చేసి చెప్పమని వాళ్ళు
అక్కర్లే అవన్నీ చెప్పేసింది.
పర్లేదా
Subject and predicate. So here, what is the subject? The name of the person or thing we speak about is called subject. What is the subject? The name of a person or thing we speak about is called a subject. So predicate, what we say about the subject is called predicate. What is predicate? What we say about the subject is called predicate. How many parts are there in a sentence? There are 2 parts in a sentence. One is subject, another one is predicate. For example, Usha is my sister. This is a sentence. What is that person here? What is the subject? Usha is the subject. And remaining part is left over. This part is called predicate. So this is about yesterday before class. What we have discussed in the before class. Now coming to the today's topic, we want to learn about parts of speech. Parts of speech. In English, how many parts of speech are there? There are 8 parts of speech. In English. There are 8 parts of speech in English. Note down everyone. And noun, second one, pronoun, third one, verb. Fourth one, adjective. Fifth one, adverb. Sixth one, preposition. Seventh one, conjunction. Eighth one is interjection. Note down everyone. Note in your book. Noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Note down everyone. Okay, completing. So first we'll go to the noun. First we're going to discuss about noun. What is a noun? What's your doubt, Kranti? No doubt. Kranti, do you have any doubt? Okay. So write down what is a noun. A noun is a noun is a name of a person, name of a person, place. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. All naming words are called nouns. For example, your name, my name, where you're living, that means your house, place, it's a place, it's a name, it's a noun. Next, what you're writing with, pen, that is also noun. So, what is a noun? A noun is a name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Example, Tom, girl, pen, dog, etc. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Example: Tom, girl, pen, dog, etc. Okay, next friend, I'm going to give you some more examples of this now. Just draw some tabular form. First one, persons. Example. Places. Persons. Places. Animals. Things. Persons, places, animals, things. And first column, persons. Persons means girl, boy, uncle, Ravi, Siri. All these are persons. Names. Okay. Next, places. Where you're living. House, park. Next, I'm living in a place called Kakinada. School, room. All these are places. Animals. Dog, cat, buffalo. Lion, bear, elephant. These are the names of animals, etc. Next, coming to the things. What are the things you are using now? Pen, book, even phone also. Phone, pencil, board, etc. Note down this. Examples of nouns: persons, places, animals, things. Note down in your book. Everybody must write it quick. Not only these examples, you can write your examples by your own also. Examples can be written by your own. Okay. Next one. Next one. In noun only, we're going to discuss today about proper noun. Subtopic is proper noun. What is a proper noun? proper noun as a special name of a particular person, place, or thing. A proper noun is a proper noun is a special name of a particular person, place, or thing. For example, everybody are having names. With that names only we will be calling. So my name, that means your name, is a proper noun. I'm writing my name here. In place of my name, you can write your name. Next, place. Kakinada I wrote. Next, thing. Note down everyone. Example, your name, place, where you're staying, you can write the place also. And thing, the things which are having the names. For example, if you write the pen will be having a name. Specific name will be there. With that you have to write it. Okay, next. Some more examples. Names of the month. Each month is having its own name. That is, what is this month's name? May. Next, June. So what you have observed in this, every letter should start with a capital letter for proper nouns. Remember that. Proper noun should always start with the capital letter. Always starts with a capital letter. For example, your name is Rahul. If you write your name like this, then it is correct. If you write your name like this, even though spelling is correct, but it is a wrong way, because here you wrote first letter as a small letter. So it's a wrong. A proper noun always starts with the capital letter. Even when you're writing the names of the months also, you have to start with the capital letter only. Some more examples. So for example, see, you'll be having a doubt that why, madam, on English always teacher says that don't start, always starting with the capital letter only, don't write any small capital letters in the middle. Yes, it is correct, but when we are writing the particular name or place, you have to mention that one in a capital letter only. For example, see, I am living in Kakinada. I'm living in Kakinada. Here, first letter when we are starting the sentence, it will be always a capital letter only. But coming to the proper noun, what is the proper noun here? The proper noun is Kakinada because it's a name of a place. It's a city name. That's why it is having a, it should be written in a sentence also in a capital letter only. If you use here small letter, then it will be wrong. If we write like this means Kakinada, if you write like this with a small letter means, then it is wrong. Proper nouns, even though in the middle of the sentence also you have to use only capital letters. I'm living in Kakinada. So don't write this. This is a wrong sentence. Write like this. Chaitanya, what's your doubt, Emma?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you explain today's class starting onwards, madam?
Starting onwards.
Ma'am?
Starting onwards.
Yes, ma'am. Today class, madam. Today class.
Today's class only. Okay.
Yes, madam.
Why you
Thank
didn't listen?
Because I wake up now only, madam.
You woke up now and you're asking to me to explain from the starting onwards.
Please, ma'am. A small request, madam.
If it is possible, I'll do it, okay?
Yes, madam.
Because only for me 10 minutes is left over to complete this class. If it is possible, sure, I'll tell you. If not, tomorrow, in the next class also, you can go through it. At starting
Yes,
for 10 minutes, I'm giving a revision in the previous class one.
Okay, madam.
Okay then.
Thank you.
Dilip,
Ma'am,
what's your doubt, Amma?
ma'am, same doubt, madam. Repeat the class, madam, starting onwards.
That means you also, where you went till now?
I'm there at home only, ma'am.
Then
But
why you're not?
my brother had mobile, ma'am. He
Okay,
didn't give, ma'am.
he did not give you, but you're having class at 4 o'clock. No, yesterday only we gave the schedule and you have to be ready
I
with
saw
it.
the message, ma'am, but my brother didn't saw, ma'am.
Whatever you have to be ready with your mobile. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, proper nouns. Again, names of the months. Names of the months. You can write it with the capital letter only. Always when we are starting with the capital letters, when we are writing the proper nouns, it should always start with the capital letter only. Don't use small letters for the proper nouns. Okay, coming to the next one. Some more examples I'm giving you. Names of the days also. So what is the day today? Today is Wednesday. See here, I wrote with the capital letter. Tomorrow, Thursday. Next, Friday. Next, Wednesday before we go, Tuesday. Whatever the days are there, it should always start with the capital letters because they are the particular names of the days. How many days we had? We had 7 days. Each day is having its own name. Next, so far we have discussed today about noun. What is a name? What is a noun? A noun is a name of a person, place, animal, or thing. So whatever the names, naming words, all naming words, what we call with the names, they are called nouns. Table, pen, phone, book, pen, your name, boy, girl, uncle, aunt, mom, dad, all these are persons. Okay, next, things also. Pen, pencil, eraser, all these are things. Animals, cat, dog, elephant, lion, tiger, all these are animals. And places, house, park, classroom, room, all these are the places. Even where you're staying in your village or city or town, whatever it is also a place. So you have to mention. For in the names, in the nouns, you had proper nouns. That means with the particular name we are calling it. Proper nouns has particular names, particularly for that person, place, and animal. Place, person, things only, because we won't use animals. For example, see here, dog. It's a common name, dog. If it has a name like Tom, then this is proper noun. Understood? This is not proper noun. So every proper noun starts with a capital letter and even though in the middle of the sentence. So even next, names of the languages. Names of the languages, religions, festivals, countries, newspapers, magazines, great buildings, etc. So names of the languages. What is the language we are speaking here? Now I'm saying it in English. And what is our mother tongue? It's Telugu. So when you write, you have to write Telugu and a capital T. When we are writing English, it should be write with capital E. Festivals. What are the festivals? We had religious festivals. So many religious festivals are there. Diwali, Ganesh Chaturthi. So all these should start with the capital letters. Countries. Our country name. What is our country name? India. So neighboring countries like Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, all these are the countries. Next, newspapers like Indian Express, like Indian Express, Enadu, Sakshi, Deccan Chronicles, Times of India, all this.
ఇది ఓకే మరి బ్రష్ చేది
Titles of the books also, like titles of the books also, like Bhagavad Gita, Quran, Bible, Guru Granth Sahib, all these are the books. Next, great buildings. Great buildings means Charminar, Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar. All these are the great buildings. They also, when we start, we have to start with the capital letter only, not with the small letter. Even though we are writing in the middle of the sentence, also it should always start with the capital letter. For example, see one more example I'll give you. I wrote my name here. My name is Sridevi. So I wrote here, starting of the sentence, capital letter. M is capital letter. So after that, remaining all letters are small letters only. And you can see Sridevi, S is a capital letter. Here. S is a capital letter. Why? Because it is a proper noun. Because it is a proper noun. So my name is Sridevi is a sentence, but in the sentence, in the middle of the sentence also we got capital letter because it is a proper noun. If not, we won't get the small letters in the middle of the sentence. Another example. Today, I woke up late in the morning. This is another example because I is a capital letter. Why? Because when we start I singly, it should always with a capital letter only. It's a pronoun, but it is also a proper noun. Okay, that's all for today's class. Next class will be followed by maths. So revise your notes once again. Go through it.
Good evening, children. So my name is Praveena. I am your mathematics teacher. So now general instructions I want to give you. First of all, be clear with your audio and video. Everything is clear or not, you just check it out. And one more important instruction I want to give you, children. All of you should focus. Children, we are observing some children are sleeping and listening to the class. I want to arise a question to you. In classrooms, are you sleeping and listening to the class? No? So here also online classes, you have to sit in a particular position and then you have to listen to the classes, children. No one should sleep and listen. Fine, you are not reading a magazine, you are going to the class, which is very, very important for you. Fine? Yes, let us start. Yes, children, we are all aware of numbers. Yes? Yes or no? We are all aware of numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are called as digits. They are called as digits. All of you make a note of it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. are called as digits. Children, see here. In the first chapter, you have the first chapter as knowing our numbers in your 6th class mathematics textbook. In that knowing our numbers, what is the concept we are going to learn? First one is place value systems. Place value systems in which read and write you are going to do. Place value system, and next you have ordering of numbers. Ordering of numbers, which is nothing but you are going to use increasing order and decreasing orders. Ordering of numbers, place value systems, in which you are going to learn Indian and also international. Indian and international place value systems you are going to learn, and ordering of numbers, increasing and decreasing orders. Next you have comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers, in which you are going to learn greater than, less than and equal to. Next you have practical problems. Regarding plus, minus, multiplication and division. Place value systems, in which you are going to read and write in Indian and international systems, and ordering of numbers, increasing and decreasing orders, comparison of numbers, practical problems. Make a note of it, children. Shall I wipe off the board? Shall I rub the board, children? Yes. Yes. Children, now you see here, I'm going to give you some small assignment homework. Note down those homework problems. Note down these problems. Yes. So these are the problems you have to solve, children. After school reopening, we are going to check your homeworks. Fine. Everyone should write in a very neat handwriting. Understood, everyone? Handwriting should be very neat and you have to solve it in a very neat manner and everything should be clear. Why? Because you know you are already aware of additions, subtractions, multiplications and divisions. Up to 5th class, you have completed all these topics. So I am giving you this as homework. Yes, children, is it okay to you? Fine. Shall I rub the board? Can you hear me? Is it okay, everything? Yes, fine. So we have completed numbers, whatever the concepts which are to be covered, and also we have seen the, just now I have given you the assignment also. Now what you are going to learn? Children, see here. Now let us see the comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers means what you have to do? You have to see whether they are greater than, less than or equal to. So this is called as comparison of numbers, children. See, for example, we have 99 and 200. What you have to keep? Is 99 less than 200 or greater than 200? We say that 99 is less than 200. Why? Because 99 is a 2-digit number and 200 is a 3-digit number. $99 is less than 200 because it is a 2-digit number and it is a 3-digit number. For example, if you are having like what do you say? How many digits are there in this particular number? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is nothing but it is a number which is called as 1 lakh. Yes, in which we have 5 zeros and 9,854. So how do you compare, children? What is the steps? What are the steps you are going to follow? So here in this particular number we have 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is a 6-digit number. And this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-digit number. 4-digit number. So what do you say that 1 lakh is greater than 9,854? Yes. The next one is 0 and 0. What do you say about 0 and 0 comparison? 0 and 0, the comparison is nothing but they are equal. 0 is equal to 0. Fine. Copy all of you comparison of numbers. Yes, Bhargavi, any doubt?
Ma'am, you told first this place values and all, no, ma'am.
Yes.
That will be there in 6th class, ma'am.
Yes, it will be there in 6th class. In knowing our numbers, first you are going to learn about these Indian and international place value systems, which you have learned already in your 5th class. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So again, we are going to have the same repetition.
Yes, ma'am.
What about Sai Harsha?
I cannot doubt on this
Yes.
10
Yes.
and for the 9,854 is there, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
That otherwise, unlocked okay.
Yes, next. Yes, children, now let us solve some problems. Yes, Bhargavi. Copy this, children. We have to solve this. So first, what we have to do? We have to do the addition. Yes, children, we have to add them. Then we have to subtract. Yes. So 5, 7, 9, 2, 3, 6, 8. Next we have 2. 4, 8, 5, 3, 0. And next we have 5, 7, 9, 2, 3, 6, 8. You have to add them first of all. So 8 we have 9, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 9 plus 4, 13 plus 1, 14, 13 plus 1 we have 14, 7, 5 plus 7, 12 plus 1 we have 13, 3. So next step what we have to follow? 6, 7, 0, 6, 5 minus 3, 3, 4, 4, 0, 8, 9, 8. You have to do the subtraction. Do the subtraction, children. I am going to give you 1 minute time. Do this subtraction, everyone. So we have borrowing subtraction. 10 minus 8, 2. Here we have 9, 9 minus 9, 0. We have 9, 9 minus 8, 1. And 4 minus 0, 4. 6 minus 4, 2. So we have again borrow. 10 minus 4, 6. And we are left with 6. 6 minus 3, 3. 6 minus 3, 3 we have. Shall I wipe off the board, children? See the next one, second one. 9, 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Minus 1, 8, 3. 7, 1, 5, 8. Minus 3, 1, 2, 5, 0, 1, 4. So first subtraction 183 7158 minus. So borrowing subtraction children 17 minus 8 we have 9. Here we have 5 minus 5 0, 5 minus 1 4. Again borrow 12 minus 7 5 left with 0. So 10 minus 3 7. Here we are left with 9, 9 minus 8 1 8, 8 minus 1 7. Next, what we have to do? We have to do the subtraction. 3, 1, 2, 5, 0, 1, 4. Children, I am going to give you 1 minute time. Please do that subtraction. Children, whatever you have learned in your 5th standard, I am revising all these children. You have solved these type of problems already. But again, we are revising it. So 9 minus 4, 5 we have borrowing 10 minus 1, 9, 3, 3 minus 0, 3, 5 minus 5, 0, 7 minus 2, 5, 1 minus 1, 0, 7 minus 3, 4. Yes, children, I hope you don't have any doubts. Now write down, children, facts, some general facts I'm going to tell you. Any number added to 0, we get the same number as sum. Any number added to 0, we get the same number as sum. Example, 2 plus 0, what do you get? 2 itself. 0 plus 99, what do you get? You get 99 itself. Note it down, children, everyone. Any number added to 0, we get the same number as sum. Zero subtracted from any number, we get the same number as their difference. Like example, we have 9 minus 0, you get 9. 100 minus 0, you get 100 itself. Take a small homework, children. 8 plus 0 equals 68 minus 0 equals. Yes,
Madam?
Amrita? Yes, yes.
Madam, ordering of numbers means what, ma'am?
What?
Ordering of numbers, ma'am.
Ordering of numbers is we are arranging them in ascending order and descending order.
Okay, ma'am.
Those one again you are going to learn as increasing and decreasing orders in your 6th class. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. What about Bhargavi? Yes,
Ma'am?
Bhargavi? Yes.
Ma'am, you told small homework, no, ma'am.
Ah, yes.
Now we should do or after?
After completion of class, whenever you are free, you do. Today itself, you complete it.
Yes,
Tomorrow
ma'am.
again, I am going to give you another homework.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. And next. Another boy or girl, there is no name here. Children, please change your name, display names. As already we have given the instruction, it is given as Galaxy J6. Who's this? And yes, please tell me your name. Yes, please speak out. Yes, next we have children. Any number multiplied by 0. What is their product? Zero itself. Example, 10 multiplied by 0. What do you get? 0 itself. 10 lakh multiplied by 0. You get 0 itself. Yes? Multiplication by 0. Very important. Children, why I am telling you all these points? Because these are the important points and sometimes you are neglecting this type of points. So I am making you to note down. Yes, Gautam?
Give homework, miss.
Yes. Yes, Gautam, speak out.
Give homework like that only, miss.
I didn't understand what you are saying.
Miss, give
You
homework.
want some more homework, yes?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is the second example, ma'am? I can't understand it.
Which second example here, which I have written, which is there on the board at present?
As ma'am, that is 10 lakhs is equal to 0.
10 lakh, oh sorry, it is multiplied by 0. Very good. Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Next we have, children, make it faster because we have only some more time left over. Yes. So 10 lakh multiplied by 0, we are going to get as 0. Fine. Next, another one. Any number multiplied by 1 we get the same number as a product. Like example, we have 6 multiplied by 1, we get 6 itself. 999 multiplied by 1, we get 999 itself. Yes, Satya? Yes, Satya? Next. Zero divided by any number. We get 0 as its quotient. Example, 0 divided by 5, you get 0 itself. 0 divided by 30, we get 0 itself. Yes, next one. Division by 0. This is very important, children. Is not defined. Very important point. Make a note of it, everyone. Division by 0 is not defined. Meaningless. Does not exist. Undefined. Yes, Satya, what is the doubt? Shall I rub the board, children? Shall I wipe out the board? Yes? Okay. So these are the very interesting points, significant points, children. You have to note it down. And whenever this application comes, you have to apply them properly. Now, children, now I am going to tell you about an interesting fact about large numbers. In 5th class, in Indian place value system, you have learnt up to crores period. Yes? And in international place value system, you have learnt up to millions period. Yes, we have so many numbers, so many large numbers rather than this. Fine. So I am going to give you. We have one Google equals 10 power 100. 10 power 100 is nothing but 1 followed by 100 zeros. 1 followed by 100 zeros, and next we have one Googleplex equals 10 power Google. And next we have 1 billion equals 10 power 9. And next we have 1 trillion equals 10 power 12. Children, you don't worry that these concepts are not there in your textbook. Simply I am giving you. Fine. So please complete your homework. Don't escape from your homework, children. Complete it. Note it down, all of you, these points. 10 power 9 means 1 followed by 9 zeros. 10 power 12 means 1 followed by 12 zeros. Fine, children? Yes, Akansha? Akansha?
Ma'am,
Yes?
why 9 divided by 0 is undefined, ma'am?
Undefined means it is meaningless, children. We cannot divide 0. Okay, you can take some example also. For example, you are purchasing some dresses. Okay, and you are dividing it by nothing. If you want to get the cost of each dress. So you are getting it as not defined, meaningless. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Easy.
Easy. Yes, Kranti? Shall I close the session, children? Okay. Enjoy your day. Thank you so much.